My name is Gary Mantalis. I'm the CEO of Organomics, and I'm excited to tell you today about what we've been working on. A major problem facing the pharmaceutical industry is the high failure rate of drugs during clinical trials, leading to expensive and slow pharmaceutical development. The solution to this problem is Organomics' platform, which performs preclinical tests on drug candidates using our next-generation organoid models as a proxy for clinical patients. We generate super high content data, which is fed into our AI decision-making algorithm. Our AI algorithm predicts how a drug will perform in clinical trials and suggests improvements for further development. This platform will yield actionable drug candidates for commercialization. The key to our platform technology lies in our superior tissue model. Traditional organoids suffer from high levels of metabolic stress, marked by high expression of stress genes, such as those of the glycolysis pathway. This leads to disruption of cellular machinery and random changes to cellular identity. To overcome this, we sought out to locate and remove the molecular cause of metabolic stress. Doing so led to an order of magnitude reduction of glycolysis gene expression across the board to physiological levels. The other advantage of our platform is our assay. We use our automation technology to monitor a tissue's response to drug treatment over time by recording a snapshot of the gene expression levels from the waste media and not disrupting the experiment in progress. This liquid biopsy, using our proprietary molecular biology, generates super high content data to determine why some tissues respond and others don't. You may have heard that other companies predict a drug's performance prior to clinical trials. But for them to perform an in vitro clinical trial, it requires the intersection of high throughput and high quality, which are generally mutually exclusive in the field. Our automated platform enables both high throughput and quality, while also producing the super high content data to understand why a drug works in some people and not in others. Non-alcoholic steatohepatitis is an epidemic affecting millions of Americans, which sadly have no available treatment options. We have identified over 100 companies with NASH drugs in the pipeline and have had multiple potential customers express an interest in working with us to develop a NASH disease model, as no good model exists today. For this reason, we are focusing on NASH as our first disease model. However, because our platform is disease and tissue agnostic, we plan to quickly expand into additional therapeutic areas. Organomics is a platform technology company, and as such, we are simultaneously generating value for our company by identifying and selling therapeutics that can pass clinical trials while partnering with pharmaceutical companies to further develop our platform. We are a highly technical team. We met during our PhDs, and our technical expertises range from tissue engineering, automation, microfluidics, molecular biology, bioinformatics, and manufacturing. Our advisory board includes David Hausler, most famous for his leadership role in the Human Genome Project and whose expertise and interests in the genetics of human health has him on the advisory board of multiple human health initiatives. Our business advisor, Rob Curry, is a serial entrepreneur with experience bringing both hardware and software companies from concept to IPO with strong connections in the Silicon Valley. I'll conclude by telling you about where we are going. We're moving fast. We formed our company earlier this year and have since proven both the superiority of our tissue model and that our assay demonstrates accurate gene expression of a tissue without disrupting the experiment in progress. The next steps require significant capital, and for that reason, we are raising funds to carry out our disease model validation, perform initial hit identification screens, and establish a pharmaceutical partnership. After using these seed funds to fully establish our platform, we will be ready to proceed into the growth stage with Series A funding. Thanks for listening, and find out more at organomicsbio.com.